Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Bush TV model and whether it already has Bluetooth. This saves time and money. If your set lacks it, plug in a compatible USB Bluetooth dongle into a rear or side USB port. Once done, turn the TV on and keep your remote handy. You will navigate menus. Make sure the external dongle is fully inserted and LED indicates power. This signals the hardware is ready for the next configuration steps, so we can proceed. You now access settings, the network or accessories depending on your TV menu layout. This is where Bluetooth controls hide. Once in Bluetooth, toggle it on and select Pair New Device or Start Scan. That starts discovery. Meanwhile, put your headphones or phone into pairing mode so the TV can see them. Without this, the devices won't appear. If multiple results show, choose the exact device name. This pairing step establishes a secure connection, allowing audio routing. You finish by selecting the device name on the TV and confirming any PIN or pairing prompt. Accept on both sides to complete pairing. Once paired, play audio and adjust volume on the TV and your headset because levels sometimes default low. If pairing fails, power cycle the TV and the accessory, reinsert the USB dongle, and retry the scan. As a key troubleshooting tip, move devices within 1 to 2 meters and remove other active Bluetooth devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.